नमो नमः। महाकविना कालिदासेन विरचितस्य रघुवंशमहाकाव्यस्य पञ्चदशे कथाभागे सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। नमो नमः। Welcome to the 15th episode of Raghuvamsham, written by Mahakavi Kalidasa. तां पुण्यदर्शनां दृष्ट्वा निमित्तज्ञस्तपोनिधिः याजमाशंसितावन्ध्यप्रार्थनं पुनरब्रवीत्. On seeing her, the auspicious one, Nandini, the reservoir of asceticism, who is well versed in reading omens, again told the king, whose officiating priest he was and whose desire was not to be barren. So in this verse, for Vasishtha, Guru Vasishtha, there are some words the poet has used. One is Nimittagnaha. Nimittagnaha means one who can understand the omens. And Taponidhihi, he is the treasure trove of knowledge. Punya darshanam tam dhenum drishtva, having seen this extremely holy cow, Ashamsita avandhya prarthanam. This word is referring to King Dileep, who is praying for getting rid of barrenness. That is, he doesn't have a child, so he's praying for getting a child. So this, the poet has put the words like this: Ashamsita avandhya. Vandhya is childlessness. Avandhya is having child. Ashamsita avandhya prarthanam. Yajyam. Yagam kartum yogyah is yajyah. So him, yajyam. Punaha abravit. He again told him. So in this verse, that word nimittagnaha is there, reading omens. So actually King Dileep, to King Dileep, Guru Vasishtha was telling about Nandini, and exactly at that time she arrived there. So this is considered to be a very good omen. तां पुण्यदर्शनां दृष्ट्वा निमित्तज्ञस्तपोनिधिः याज्यमाशंसितावन्ध्यप्रार्थनं पुनरब्रवीत्. अदूरवर्तिनीं सिद्धिं राजन् विगणयात्मनः उपस्थितेयं कल्याणी नाम्नी कीर्तित एव यत्. O king, consider that fulfillment of your wish is not very far, since this auspicious one has turned up the moment her name was mentioned. So in the previous verse we saw that Maharshi Vasishtha read the omen. Now he is telling the same to King Dileep. Rajan, O king, Atmanaha Siddhim, your soul's desire, Adura Vartinim, it's not very far, Viganaya, you consider this, that it's not very far, the fulfillment of your desire. Yat, because Kalyani Iyam, this auspicious one, Namni Kirtite Eva, just by taking her name, Upasthita, she came here, she is present here. So this indicates that your wish is going to get fulfilled very soon. Aduravartinim siddhim rajan viganayatmanah upasthiteyam kalyani namni kirtita eva yat. Vanyavrittirimam shashvadatmanugamanena gam vidyam abhyasaneneva prasadayitumarhasi. Being a forest dweller, steadily propitiate this cow, just like how one gains knowledge by close application. Now Guru Vasishtha tells King Dileep what exactly he has to do. Vanya Vrittihi San, by being a forest dweller, Imam Gam, this cow, Shashwat means constantly, always. Atma Anugamanena, you keep following her and you serve her. Just like Abhyasanena Vidyam Iva, like how Vidya, knowledge, by constantly practicing and applying it, we actually make that vidya our own. We make that knowledge our own by constantly practicing and applying what we have learned. Like that, by constantly serving her, following her and serving her, prasadayitum arhasi, you will be able to please Nandini. The upama given here is, you by constantly following Nandini and serving her, you can please her, you can get her grace. Like how by constantly applying and practicing what we have learned, we get the vidya, like that. So it's a very nice upama, and at the same time it also tells us that we can actually get the vidya only by constant application and constant practice.
Vanyavrittirimam shashvadatmanugamanena gam vidyam abhyasaneneva prasadaitumarhasi. Prasthitayam pratishthetha sthitayam sthitimachareh nishannayam nishidasyam pitam bhasi piberapah. When she moves, you must move. When she stands, you must stand. When she sits, you must sit. You must drink water only after she does. Guru Vasishtha continues to give instructions to King Dileepa. He says, Asyam prasthitayam pratishthethaha. When she moves, then only you should move. Sthitayam sthitim acharehe. When she stands, you should also stand. Nishannayam nishida. When she sits, you also sit. Pitambhasi pibehe apaha. Once she drinks water, then only you should drink water. Prasthitayam pratishthetha sthitayam sthitimachareh nishannayam nishidasyam pitambhasi piberapah. Vadhurbhaktimati chainam architatma tapovanat prayata prataranvetu sayam pratyudvrajedapi. And let this daughter-in-law too, being filled with devotion and purity, worship her, Nandini, first, then follow her all around the ashram in the morning and welcome her in the evening. In this verse, Guru Vasishtha is giving the instructions to Queen Sudakshina. He says, Vadhuhu, he is referring to Sudakshina as her daughter-in-law. Vadhuhu cha bhaktimati, with full of devotion, and prayata, with lot of purity. Architam enam, she should worship the cow. And atapo prataha, morning, she should first worship the cow, and then atapovanat anvetu, within the boundary of the tapovanam, let her follow the cow Nandini. Sayam pratyudvrajet, and in the evening, when Nandini returns back to the tapovanam, she should welcome the cow. Vadhur bhaktimati chainam architam atapovanat prayata prataranvetu sayam pratyudvrajedapi. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, then please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel, and also please like and share this video. If you are interested in learning this beautiful language Sanskritam, then please do visit www.tattvam.org to know more details about our online Sanskrit classes. Dhanyavadaha.